Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we are unboxing an LED floor lamp from Livorno. Let's go to the unboxing and see how it works.
Let's go.
So this is the box. We received it like that. It should be perfectly fine. Let's see what we have inside.
Oh, we've got a tool.
We have a tool,
We have instructions.
instructions,
Ooh,
paper.
I would think that's the lamp. Yes.
There is a lamp inside,
Too much cardboard.
more paper.
Ooh, that's big. That's a big lamp.
This is the lamp. It says you can have a 10-watt lamp inside. Yeah, that's great.
It's attached.
Okay.
You hold them.
Yeah. And I believe it's gonna be a base
Yeah, that's going to be the base. Just give me
down there.
one. Let's avoid to cut the wire. Yep. Out.
More paper.
That's quite heavy. Well, it's heavy.
So let's put it together.
Yeah, let's go and put it together.
So you have to remove these plastics here.
Yeah.
I dropped it because they protecting the thread not to get damaged. But when you do it once, the only reason to disassemble it is if you move house.
Yeah.
So quite simple it looks. So I'm gonna help Joe again. I try.
Yes.
So the height, it says that it's overall 179. The height. Oh, I can't show you guys.
Oops.
Sorry. Let's see. So it goes like this. It's gonna be fun. I don't know why we have a spanner, but we will find out.
Yes, I was wondering the same thing. Why do we have a spanner?
Yeah, so we do that. Just be careful not to cross thread the thread because it's gonna be useless, the device or the lamp, whatever you want to say.
We've got
And the last plastic, let me show you.
Yeah. I got it off halfway.
I don't know what is the purpose exactly of this.
I have no clue, but it's off.
And last but not least, I don't know why it has so much cable inside.
We have to pull it from the down part, to be honest, not the top.
Yeah, let me show you again, guys. So that one's gonna be fun.
That is gonna end up on my head.
Because we have to turn it around, and I think we are twisting the wire inside. Let me show you, grab this camera and try to show, because if we twist the wire inside, it might be a problem.
I think I have to look down.
That was a very scientific observation of this. But it looks like it's doing it.
It is.
So we still don't know why we need a spanner.
No clue.
But we will find out soon enough. So now we have to turn it to be there.
Oh my god.
So now, so if you want to come out. So as you see, it's sitting bright and nice.
We'll put the wire in place.
I'm gonna do something very weird but tricky. I hope Joy can catch the whole thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just turn it around. I want to see where all this wire went, because it might be the last time we will see it.
No, we can pull it.
That this lamp, it has those tighten points here and here. It should be staying in the correct position. And we have it down here. So we have a, looks like a button, a foot button that you can press on the floor or with your hands. It depends how you want to use the device. Before you install the bulb, never have the device plugged in. We don't recommend this. So we have a Energy E lamp, but it's very pretty.
Oh, that's fancy.
So we're gonna install the nice lamp. It's a E27.
We don't tighten it too much.
Yep.
Time to light it up.
We're gonna turn it on and see, as you see the decoration on the back, Halloween.
Oh, it turned on before.
It was
it was on.
It was on. All right. So that switch on the back, on the bottom, what it does, is it on off? Yeah.
You click it.
Yeah.
It's off. You click it. It's on.
So why everything is so Halloween?
And I haven't finished yet.
So the main concept of this lamp was, guys, we want to find the best inexpensive way to light up all the unboxing, and we found this and we bought it, and we're gonna put up a stronger lamp on this, a white one. You see it's white, it's because of the help of the camera.
Yes.
But it's very, very nice. It's very tall.
Yes, it's too tall.
No more shadows. Look, I'm gonna show you. No more shadows. We're gonna stop. You see my hand.
Shadows.
I know you don't complain, but this is the reason. The main reason was we wanted a light that can help us with the unboxing and of course review the product.
That's metal.
It's metal.
It's adjustable.
It looks strong. We can put a diffuser on top of it. Of course, the red warm light is not suitable for what we're doing, but it doesn't matter because we can change the bulb. So, if you want more information or see more reviews like this, we are happy to show you. We have plenty of stuff to show you. The person that asked about the Silvercrest heater, the model that goes on the bathroom or on the wall, we are happy to say that we are still use it. The power consumption is not the best. If you put it on the high, it's 2000 watts. On the low, at 1000 watts, but expect on 1000 watts to warm up your room quite slowly. So we still use it, but we prefer the bladeless fan.
Yes.
Keep subscribe and like and share the videos with your family. I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
We have a beautiful lamp. We are ready for Halloween.
Yes. Not ready. I haven't finished yet. This is the start. We will show you when I get done.
Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely evening.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget, like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.